Hey guys, so Samsung has just wrapped up the developer conference and it's time to unfold everything that went down. First up, we'll start with the less interesting stuff, the Bixby, which is Samsung's voice assistant. It now gains, and for the first time there is a built-in dark mode. The new One UI is compatible with Samsung's new foldable screen dubbed as Infinity Flex Display. It allows both a compact smartphone and a large immersive display. The large display can be utilized for true, and I mean true, multitasking experience with up to 3 active applications open at once. With this foldable display, Samsung is also encouraging developers to participate and work for this development. They showed off the U notch, at least I would say the best version of notch, but still it is a notch. I would like to hear your thoughts on this. We have the Infinity V and Infinity U. They are looking very similar to the water droplet notch displays that we have seen from the Oppo and Vivo. It's just a difference of the shape, the V and U shaped notch. Honestly, I don't see much difference between the two notches here, V and U. It's just the shape difference. And then the Infinity O display that has a hole on the left corner. And finally, the most and according to Samsung, this makes the experience more natural and also allows for better one-handed usage experience because all the relevant and important information will now appear at the bottom half of the screen. With the apps, we have a brand new lock screen UI, some new modified fonts, a complete revamped look of the app icons, and new on-screen navigation buttons that are more simplistic and they look better. I've actually shown you guys a glimpse of that in my review video. UI matching the color of the phone, and in the colors you can see there's a green colored Galaxy phone as well, basically confirming that there will be an upcoming emerald green comeback with the Samsung Galaxy S10. Android also now officially supports foldable display, and apparently Google, of all people, loves a display innovation. Yeah, they do. They sure do. As for the One UI release, the beta is coming in November for the Galaxy S9 and Note 9, so I'll be doing a full review once that is support for 5 languages. They also announced a new Bixby Developer Studio for developers, and it's now for the first time opening up to the third-party developers for that awesome development. Now, Samsung also showed off its upcoming UI based on Android 9.0 Pie, and it's now being called as One UI. This new UI is designed in collaboration with Google themselves to provide a natural, clutter-free, smooth, simple experience. It's minimal, that is out, and the final release will happen in January 2019. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the foldable elephant in the room, the foldable phone. So Samsung basically introduced the Infinity Flex display. They actually didn't talk about the phone itself, so no mentioning of the name or specs or anything like that. It's more about the display right now, but the phone was actually there in the hands of this dude, and it's actually hidden inside the case, and basically they showed off what we already know. Interesting one is the new Infinity display, which is the one that is most likely to be on the Samsung Galaxy S10, that actually has no hole or a notch. It's just a display. Does that mean that the Galaxy S10 really is bezel-less with a hidden camera? We don't know, but it certainly is interesting to see. Anyways, that's all that happened at SDC 2018. Foldable phone is real and it's not a gimmick. The One UI is coming soon. I'll do a really meaningful experience to the user rather than just being a gimmick. So the One UI is also on board as well. It's obviously not finished yet to show off to the public, so Samsung will most likely reveal it in January 2019 at CES. Now, along with the foldable flex display, Samsung also showed off 4 other display technologies. We have the Infinity V, the Infinity O, Infinity U, and the new Infinity displays. It seems like Samsung has finally embraced those. So it's a 4.6-inch phone when folded, and it goes to 7.3 inches when it is unfolded. So pretty much a tablet slash phone hybrid is in your hand. It looks pretty damn good. Obviously it's hidden inside a case, so we can't see how thin or thick the phone is and how good the design is, but honestly the demonstration looks pretty good. I think it can actually be a big thing in the future. Just like when Samsung introduced the phablets back in the days, I think this can also provide a view about it. And also Samsung has finally embraced the Notch after all. A better version of Notch. Again, in my opinion, it's the best version of the Notch you can say. Still, a Notch is a Notch. I want to hear your thoughts about that. And then of course, a new Infinity Display glimpse is there as well. That could be the display that we see on the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus family. Let me know your thoughts about this. It's been a great night, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.